Good evening, folks. Mark here in the fan cave. It is 10:40 p.m. Um, Thursday, June 22nd, 2023. This is a Banvil Enviro fan, heavy-duty industrial ceiling fan. Now this is a Silver Line. I hitched it up to the Enviro fan 5-speed control. We'll start it off on 1, which is the fastest. Just moving some decent air. Two. Three. 4. 5. 'And now for the spin down. Yeah, this fan, I don't even remember where I came across this fan, but it's nothing I would have most likely gone out of my way to get. It's not really my cup of tea, but a little too new for my tastes. But maybe it was at a Habitat, or it was in amongst other fans that were a little more interesting. But anyway, yeah. Let me know if it is for sale or trade, if anyone's interested. It's not perfect. It's missing a little coupling on top. I had to kind of jerry rig one, but and the canopy doesn't stay where it's supposed to. But it still does move some decent air. So it does everything a ceiling fan is supposed to do. It's totally random. I just had moved. I didn't even look inside, but I had a couple of buckets. Had a big bucket of cherry filling. Had cherry filling at one point in time, and inside this little bucket, and in the little bucket was the Silver Line. So I figured I'd do a video of it. It's not the best of shape. I had to extract about 5 feet of balloon strings that have been lodged in there, because it was turning, but it was scuffing a lot, and that's when I tried to figure out what was going on inside. It was wrapped around the pole inside, so I had to go in with my my needle nose pliers and try to pull it out, and eventually then I just wrap it around, and then I just pull. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. I'll actually show you the bottom of the fan and the top of the fan. Thanks for watching.